Hello and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So we have a JAMB math question here. So it says if 201 base k is equal to 33 base 10, then k equals, okay, so we have to look for k. Okay, and here 33 is already in base 10, so we don't need to convert, but we need to convert this base k to base 10. Remember, let's put our powers of k, so that will be 0, 1, 2. Okay, so these are the powers that k will take when we're converting to base 10. So in converting this to base 10, we have 2 times k raised to power 2. Do you see that? Plus 0 times k raised to power what? 1 plus 1 times k raised to power 0 equal to 33. Okay, this is k squared. So k squared times 2, that's 2k squared. This is 0. 0 times anything will give us 0. So let's knock this out. So we have 1 times k raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So plus 1 equal to 33. All right, let's take this one here. We have 2k squared equal to, taking it, we're going to subtract and we're going to be left with what? 32. So from here, let's divide by 2. Divide by 2 quickly. We have k. Okay, k squared is equal to what? 16. Now we can get k as a square root of 16, and that will give us what? 4. All right, so our answer here is B. Okay, you can see how fast this is. All right, so thank you for staying to the end of this video. Please don't forget to get the DTW JAMB CBT app. Okay, download it freely on Google Play Store to practice more on that time. This app helps you with your time management, helps you in getting questions. You don't need to start flipping your past question booklets. Just search for that particular topic under which subject, and you will see all questions from the database of over 31,000 questions. It would come out, pop out with their correct solution. Use this for any of your subjects. It has all your subjects in JAM, even the ones that you don't get past questions for, your Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, fine arts, geography, Islamic studies, ERS, every subject, okay, that you're going to sit for in the JAM exam, it's there. Accounts, economics, everything. Okay, so get it freely, download it, check out the features. Okay, it costs 4,000 naira to activate. All right, and if you want, the details on activation is on the app. If you are confused, WhatsApp me. If you're interested in our online group tutorials on Google Meet, on WhatsApp, please join us now. We are going to finish the syllabus. By January, we're starting classes. November, by January, we're finishing the syllabus. We're starting again. So please join this activity now. You want to kickstart your studies. You don't know how to start on your own. Please join a tutorial and you can join our online classes. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on our TikTok page. Please do follow us. Share this channel with your friends, family, loved ones. Join our Facebook group. You have questions, I would, interact with you there more. You have questions, you can join our WhatsApp channel also. Okay, and you'll be carried along. Every updates we have, I'm going to share with you. Okay, you can also check our website for several free download study guides and other notes. Just check. Okay, if you have, this, I put all this here for people who don't have finances to get the app, or even uh you know um or join the online tutorial. There are other free materials for you there on the Facebook group, everywhere on the YouTube channel. You can use that also to study. But I bet you, if you can invest in your JAM exam, first thing you should invest in is getting the DTW JAM CBT app. It's going to help you all the way. All right, family, finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life, and He's the one who's going to lead you to heaven at last and give you peace right here on earth. Okay? Come to Him today. Leave every everything, old things that you've been doing wrongfully. Come to Jesus today, and He's going to make you new again, beautiful again. Come to Him. He's calling you, He's waiting for you. Don't say tomorrow, no. Now, come to Jesus and He will make your life beautiful again. He's going to make you succeed. In Him is a power to make you win. Is Him. See, He said He has predestined us, even from the foundations of the earth, that we are winners. So come to Jesus. So you have that winning power and you are destined to win. from GTW tutorials, all right, in your JAMB 2025 examination and also in life general, your career, your pursuit, your financial, your marriage, everything you are destined to win in Jesus' name. All right, see you in our next video.